Welcome to Country Club East, one of the most desirable communities in Lakewood Ranch. This lovely Stanford Model is located in a maintenance-free neighborhood and offers a stunning water view, 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, outdoor summer kitchen with decorative tile, heated pool and spa. Enjoy entertaining your guest in this open floor plan with an amazing kitchen, with under-cabinet lighting, tiled backsplash, stainless appliances, large kitchen island and breakfast nook. Some of the notable features include tile throughout, custom built-ins, ceiling fans, crown molding, and tankless water heater. The master suite overlooks the beautiful lake, crown molding, walk-in closet, dual sinks, walk-in shower, and soaking tub. Country Club East provides residents gated community living, 3 community pools, fitness center, community clubhouse, close to world-class shopping, dining, medical facilities, beaches, and airports.